Use of the data booklet is relevant to this question. Impure copper containing traces of cobalt, iron, and silver was purified. Which cations of the trace elements can be found in solution? Okay, so let's write down all the equations that we can find. All right, so copper 2 plus 2e. Copper, this is plus 0.34. Right, silver will be Ag plus E to give you Ag. Right, this value will be plus 0.80. Okay, let's look at cobalt. Okay, let's look at cobalt. Okay, cobalt, the value will be minus 0.28 volt. All right, and the last one will be iron. Okay, you can find iron and induce these two scenario, Fe3 plus 3e to give you iron, and you can find the Fe2 plus 2e to give you iron. All right, so this value here is actually equals to minus 0.04 volt. All right, and this one here is actually minus 0.44 volt. All right, okay, so this is the idea. All right, so this is actually electrolysis, and you want to get pure copper from impure copper. All right, so the battery that is being used can definitely oxidize copper, right? Can definitely oxidize copper. So the thing, anything below 0.34 will also be oxidized, right? Anything below 0.34 will also be oxidized. Anything above 0.34 will not be oxidized. So actually nothing will happen to the silver, right? Because this value is greater, so silver is less likely to be oxidized. It will not be oxidized. It remains as silver metal. Okay, but cobalt, definitely, since this value is lesser than 0.34, right? So it will also be oxidized. So you get cobalt 2 plus. Okay, but between these two, for iron can be oxidized to 3 plus or 2 plus, but the one that you choose must be more negative, because iron will, if you compare these two values, right, iron will be preferentially oxidized to Fe2 plus. Why? Because the value here is actually more negative. Okay, the more negative it is, the more easily it can be oxidized. So I would say that you will actually end up getting Fe2 plus. Right, so this answer will be C.